So this is the smart rim cylinder replacement. So it replaces any normal rim cylinder. Fingerprint scanner on the side, and if you stick this on and you pull it out this way, this is where your emergency key is going to be. So you put the key in there, turn it, and then the cylinder will work. It's also where the batteries go at the end as well. Okay. Yeah, no worries. We're just removing the screws. Take the cylinder out, slide it off to expose the cylinder screws. Take the screws out. Okay, so now you just take the last bit and the cylinder screws are out. So the cylinder should come off. Put it through the cylinder, put it through the lock. Now you want to make sure you put the screws. Okay, so now we check how many pieces it's going to need. So we're going to have to cut at least 3 off there, but the idea is you count from there how many it takes. So we can get away with cutting 2 of these off. So. Alright, now you line it up straight, put it through here. There we go. And that is how you install the smart lock rim cylinder. You put your fingerprint, so you put it here and you turn the latch this way. Or you put it with this one like this and turn it that way. But I think this way is better.